We are back with another juicing challenge, and this time we are going to have one recipe and we're going to 2 different stores to see which store will give us the most bang for our buck. So the stores we're going to today is Aldi's and Trader Joe's. So if you want to join in and guess which of these grocery stores is going to give us the most bang for our buck, let me know in the comments below and then we'll find out together. Let's get it.
Now till the tree gets here?
Yeah, we're still in here, dude.
Okay.
Right now.
wanting to provide a little background as to why I ended up choosing this exact produce. And it's because I am currently working on healing my nervous system as well as a condition I have called pseudotumor cerebri. I think that's how it's pronounced. It's essentially a fake brain tumor where I have all the symptoms of a brain tumor without having the actual tumor. So I've been kind of dealing with that, balancing energy management, and my goal is to continue to move forward and heal myself. So aside from herbs, which I'll have a video coming out kind of showcasing some of the herbs and stuff that I'm using for my natural healing, I decided to use this juice combination because celery, along with parsley, is a really good diuretic. Diuretic. I think it's pronounced diuretic. Basically, it helps the kidney function and releasing fluids from the body. So this is going to be really helpful since I have extra fluid on my brain, kind of help start getting some of that stuff moving out. So I'm really excited to get this juice in me. We're going to do some recalculations because I ended up taking 1 lemon out of the bag of lemon. Let's get to juicing, and we're going to start with the Trader Joe's bunch. Let's see how much juice we're going to get from this recipe from Trader Joe's. So with this recipe from Trader Joe's, we ended up getting 2 full 16-ounce jars and a 12-ounce jar of juice. So that's giving us a total of 44 ounces of juice for this recipe. Now let's see if Aldi's could beat it. Now we're going to see how much juice we're going to get from this recipe from Aldi's. Aldi's recipe, we ended up getting a whole extra jar of juice, which means that's an additional 16 ounces. And let's see how much we have here. That's 12 ounces. Hey, yeah, so we have a total of 60 ounces of juice from Aldi's. So let's do the math. For Trader Joe's, we ended up spending exactly $10.95. We ended up getting 2.75 jars, which means we spent approximately $3.98 per jar of juice. Now, in total, we ended up getting 44 ounces. So if we divide that by how much we spent, we ended up spending roughly 4.01 ounces of juice per dollar. For Aldi's, our original price was $12.21. However, we didn't use the full bag of lemons, so I did the math, and the bag of lemons cost $3.89. But since we only picked one out of the 10 lemons, that cost us an additional 38 cents, bringing our actual total to $8.70. So we ended up getting exactly 3.75 jars of juice, which means we would have spent roughly $2.32 per jar of juice. And we ended up getting a total of 60 ounces. So if we did the math there, we'll be getting approximately 6.89 ounces of juice per dollar. Okay, so there we have it. That was a pretty clear winner. So Aldi's is the winner of our challenge. And one thing I wanted to note though was I was paying attention to the options for organic as well. And I did find that with Trader Joe's, most of the stuff that we ended up getting were organic. So we had organic ginger, celery, apple, and parsley. The only thing that wasn't organic was the lemon. Whereas for Aldi's, the only thing that was organic that I could find was the celery, and that's it. Everything else, they didn't have the option for organic. So yeah, so take that as you will, but you know I can't end a video without a taste test. So I'm gonna try the Trader Joe's version and just see if there's a huge quality difference. And then I'm gonna try the Aldi's version. I forgot how much ginger I put in it. So it's good. Just what I need right now too, because ginger is great for reducing inflammation. Tastes really good, really fresh. I love the crispness of the celery. You can taste it very well. And the apple comes in perfectly, adding that little bit of sweetness on top of that heat from the ginger. All right, let's try all these. That one's good. Now that one didn't punch me in the face as hard as Trader Joe's did. Which is interesting because I thought Aldi's had more ginger, but I'm guessing since it had more apple and celery, it probably balanced it out a bit well. But that is really good. I wouldn't even say there's a difference in quality, except for I know that this one is more organic. So I'm still leaning towards this is better quality, just simply off that knowledge and not taste. In terms of taste, they both taste pretty well. You can't go wrong. So we're going to leave it at that. All right, so there we have it. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share the love. I would truly appreciate it. And if you're interested in seeing more grocery store comparisons, let me know in the comments below, and you may see them next on my channel. All right, so take care and stay healthy out there. Peace and love.